What if your hair could tell the world exactly who you are? At Universal Hair 2, Excel, we're here to make sure it does. Because you deserve to stand out, at every age. Custom wigs that look like they grew right from your scalp. Extensions so luxurious you'll forget they're not your own. And styles crafted for women who are done shrinking back and ready to step forward. We know, it's not just about hair. It's about how you feel when you walk into a room. About owning your beauty, your story, your power. Here you get more than just amazing hair. You get a community that lifts you up, a sisterhood that cheers for every transformation. This isn't vanity, it's victory. So why settle? Why hide? It's your time to live out loud, stand tall, and strut with confidence. Universal Hair 2. Excel, where women rebuild confidence, one strand at a time. Shop now. Join the movement. Let's thrive together.